Welcome to Jadda's Craft Cottage. Baby showers are fun. If you're hosting a shower, this diaper cake will make a nice and useful centerpiece. Let's get started. To make the diaper cake, you will need to start with a pizza pan, which I got from the Dollar Tree, diapers, about 50 or 60 of them, and rubber bands. We're going to start with the diapers, and you're going to roll the diapers starting from the open end, and you're going to roll it tightly and then secure it with a rubber band. This is a great thing to do while you're watching TV. You'll make 50 or 60 of these. We're going to make the bottom layer. To secure the whole bottom, I'm going to use a 1/4 inch elastic and tie it at the ends. This elastic is 28 inches and I tied a knot on it so I can start working with it. I'm going to start in the center and I'm going to just start putting a few around. Now this looks like it's filled the pizza pan quite nicely. The diapers now cover the bottom of the pan. For the second layer of the cake, I'm going to do the same with the elastic. This elastic was about 20 inches long at a 1/4 inch wide, and I assembled it the same way, and I'm going to place it right on top of it. The elastic again secures everything together, but I don't want it to fall off, so I am going to use some straws just to stick in between so it doesn't move around. I want to cover the elastic and the rubber bands. I have this 1.5 inch grosgrain ribbon, and I've cut it to be the size of each layer. Going to wrap the grosgrain ribbon around the elastic and the rubber bands, put double-sided tape on it, secure it on this side here, and I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom. I want to embellish the cake, so I bought some socks for the baby, and I'm going to start rolling them, and I'm going to make some rosettes out of them. So you're going to take the opened end and you're going to roll it. When you get to the toe of it, turn it out slightly, take a rubber band, tighten it out, fluff it so it looks like a rose. Now we want to embellish the cake with our rosette socks. Just stick them inside. You can add pacifiers, any other things that the newborn would need. You can see I've embellished it with some pacifiers and some rosette socks. These cakes are really fun to make. You can top it with some toys or some ribbon, and I know that the mother will be happy to get this nice little platter. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. A day without sunshine is just an extra day for crafting.